Matilda.
Look, they want to show Allison what a good girl you are.
Oh, yeah.
There.
Oh, there she goes.
Now, I'm ready to play. Okay,
Whoop.
she came out of her shell quickly.
Oh, she sure did.
She just
Oh,
wanted
look
to
at her.
play.
Oh, that's very cute.
Yes.
Don't pummel our baby puppies.
I just worried about this one's legs because look, he wants to play so bad
Yeah.
too.
Oh, Matilda, you funny thing.
You are funny.
She's quite nice with the other puppies too. This is what she needed, a little run around, didn't she? Matilda.
Yes, I am. I'm just a little worried.
Good job.
She almost learned to sit.
When you're behind me,
She can sit. Say, I'll sit for it. You can hide in the tunnel with the one.
Maureen must have the best treats.
There. Hi. What operation? Oh, you got neutered already? And
Oh, Matilda, you goofball.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't she funny? Look at her elbowing in. Oh, Matilda.
Be careful.
I've got to make up for lost time. I've been scared too long.
She just came right out of her little shell, didn't she? Didn't you, little missy? Didn't you?
That's very nice to see, isn't it?
I just love it.
Yeah. Oh, cheeky.